my name is Lisa Witt, and I'm going to talk to you today about how to fit practice into a really busy schedule. So most people I know are really busy, and it's difficult for them to find time to get to the piano and get their practices done. So the first question I ask them is, what is reasonable in your life, in your upcoming week? What is a reasonable amount of time for you to be able to practice? And it's really important to be honest when you're asking this question, because you don't want to set an unrealistic goal and then fail and then feel really bad about that. So if your realistic goal is 10 minutes a day, awesome. If it's an hour a day, awesome. Whatever it is, it has to be reasonable and realistic for your life. Next, schedule your practice. I love this little notepad. It's got all the days of the week, so I can kind of take an overview and I can schedule out the things that I want to practice. If I'm really busy, I might not be able to practice everything every time I sit down, so I might write scales, song, ear training, fun day, whatever it is, on my schedule, so that if I'm really busy, I know that in the course of a week, I've kind of gotten to a little bit of everything. So that's a really great little hack for practicing fitting it in. Schedule it, make it intentional. My next suggestion is keep your piano in a high traffic area. If your piano is in the far reaches of your basement, the chances of you actually sitting down at it are far slimmer than if you've got your piano, in your living room, or I know some people that have their piano set up in their kitchens. So if you have your piano set up somewhere that you're passing all the time, it's going to be way easier to get to the piano and play it. My next trick is touch your piano or sit down at it every single day. If you have no time to practice, get in the habit of just acknowledging your piano, sitting down, touching it. Because what will eventually happen is it will create a habit of intention. And you'll naturally think of that piano and you'll go, okay, well, if I have time to touch it, maybe I can quickly just run a C scale. And it'll just be a way to bring your awareness to the piano. My next suggestion is to keep your music open and ready to go. If you're neat and tidy, you might like to put your music away in the bench. But if you keep it out and it's on the page that you're working on, you'll be able to quickly get to it. It's time saving. Whatever you can do to save time to get yourself to the piano. So there you have it. Those are my tricks for finding time to practice when you're really busy. I would love to hear what you do to keep yourself practicing and at the piano during your busy schedule. So if you've got any tips or tricks, please comment below. We'd love to hear from you.